and welcome to the sofa. Okay guys, me and DIY videos never usually go to plan. And I wasn't going to upload this, but my sister's like, oh, you should upload it, and it's probably because she just wants to take the piss out of me, because every time I do a DIY video it kind of goes a bit faily, and she's ringing me up going, oh my god, your video is hilarious. I'm like, but Jess, it wasn't supposed to be hilarious. I wasn't going to upload it, but actually I thought no, because this can save you guys a lot of money. Teepees seems to be quite a viral thing at the moment, and they can be a bit pricey, and obviously there are DIY videos out there to show you how to make them, but even them can be a bit pricey. I mean, like, buy this, buy that, you need this. No, I'm going to show you how to make a teepee very quick and easy. Okay, so you're going to need some sticks. I am using some poles I popped out of an old windbreak, but you guys can use whatever you want. You can find some branches in your woods, or use poles, or anything else you can find. Or if you can't find anything around the house, you could probably get some from somewhere like B&Q. So if you get 2 of the sticks and put them in a V shape and secure them together just by tying them with some string or some rope, that is the easiest thing I found. And then once you've done that, get the other 2 sticks, add them too, and just weave your rope or your string in and out, and then make sure everything is secure. I used wool for this, but you can obviously use something a lot stronger. Hello, double chin. Okay, so you're going to want to get an old sheet or a throw, and you're just going to wrap it round the poles and then peg it secure with a clothes peg. Roll the sides up and then secure those with a peg, and just tidy the sheet up so it looks presentable. So then you're going to want to decorate it. Use anything you want. I made some bunting out of paper, but you could put fairy lights on, or flags, or whatever you like, and then just fill it with pillows and a blanket. Now, wasn't that easy? There are some videos out there, and they're really good if you want to do a proper DIY kind of like thing. But I mean, if it's just, you know, you just want it for decoration purposes in a child's bedroom, or just for the kids playing in the summer outside, then this is just fine. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope my DIY wasn't too much of a fail. Do I have my sister's approval? Sister, give me a call after you've seen this video. Do you approve? Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, because that makes me very, very happy, and also click subscribe and then press the bell so you are notified when I next upload. I'm gonna go now. Hope you enjoyed my video, and I will see you next week. Bye!